How to do mask person transition in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 clips to my timeline. Hold down the Alt key and drag the second clip to track above to duplicate it. Move playhead above your video and go to the Fusion page. Select Media in Node and press Shift plus space. Search for Magic Mask and add it after Media in Node. Select Magic Mask node and draw a line on your subject to select it. Hold down the Alt key and draw to remove from the selection. Set the mode to better and click on Track Forward and Backward button. Once tracking is finished, go back to the Edit page. Select your first video and press the dot key 8 times to bring it 8 frames forward. Hold down the Alt key and use mouse scroll wheel to zoom into timeline. Move the playhead to the start of the top clip, select it, and open the inspector panel. Click on diamond button next to position and drag position Y value to the left until your subject is out of the frame. This will create the first keyframe. Move the playhead at the cut, and set position Y to 0, which creates the second keyframe.